Today we're going to do some math addition word problems. I'm going to read the problem out loud for you, and then you'll have the opportunity to solve the equation that you've written down after I finish reading them. I want you to really focus on writing the equation first, and then you can think about what strategy you'd like to use. You might choose to use a drawing, a number line, 10 frames, a number bond. Maybe you want to take out some like serial pieces and use manipulatives. If that's easier for you, that's totally fine with me. You can choose which strategies you'd like to solve it. All right, I'm going to get started reading. Number 1, Jenny had 5 apples. Jack gave her 3 more. How many apples does Jenny have now? Jenny had 5 apples. Jack gave her 3 more. How many apples does Jenny have now? Write the equation in your journal. And then leave yourself a space to solve the problem. I'll read it one more time. Jenny had 5 apples. Jack gave her 3 more. How many apples does Jenny have now? Okay, finish up solving your problem. If you need to finish your strategy, pause the recording right now, and then you can play when you're ready to hear the answer. So your equation should be 5 plus 3 equals. And then you can use any of the strategies that we have learned, and you should be ending up with the same answer, the number 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Give yourself a check if you got that correct. If you struggled with that, please go back and see, maybe you drew an extra circle, or you didn't draw enough circles, or maybe you hopped too many times on the timeline. Please just double check your work and see so that you end up with the answer 8. All right, number 2. Maria had 6 pennies. She found 1 more. How many pennies does she have in all? Okay, go ahead and write your equation. Maria had 6 pennies. She found 1 more. How many pennies does she have in all? Decide on a strategy that you want to use to solve your equation. And I'll give you about 1 minute to solve that equation using a strategy. Okay, if you need an extra moment to finish, you can take that now and just pause the video and press play when you're ready to continue. The question said Maria had 6 pennies and she found 1 more. So your equation should say 6 plus 1 equals. To solve this, you may have used a variety of strategies. You can use drawings, circles, strategies, timeline, the number line, 10 frames, etc. 6 plus 1 equals, you should be getting the answer 7. All right, if you had trouble with this, please go back and double check your work and make sure that you use the appropriate numbers. Great job.